Is he the one? Is he the one? Is he the one? Ah. My Afghan soup. It's not the one. Angel. Is it the one? Put the mic in your mouth. Not at all. Come. Is he the one? All right. Is he the one? All right, please increase the mic, the second mic, please. I will, by myself, I will tell you he's not the one. All right. Goody, goody. Is he the one? I will be calling somebody sweet of 2002. All right.
It's me, Sly Baby.
Don't worry, this one just spoke like what that something that they put battery at his back. All right, sweetheart. Nah, like nah, sweetheart, all these things that cause diabetes. All right.
Hey, baby.
He's not the one, don't worry. We call it like a farmer. All right.
Hey, boys, good morning.
You will never hear this one. All right, let's hear this one now. Baby. Is that I should move on? That means I should pass. Wow. Wait till I say what I'll be like again.
Bicycle.
All right. This person now I'm giving, I'm sure he's the one. I'm very, very sure he's the one. All right? Is he the one?
What did he say?
So what did he say?
Record.
All right, let me try the last person. If it's not this one, then I think we'll do, let's see, the last person. Is it the one? That's the room now, please. All right, the last person now, let's go. Mama. Is he the one? Is he the one? Is he the one? No, DJ wait. All these are the wings. We are shaking back. Move. You said yes, we did not hear it. Did you say yes? Did she say yes?
She said yes.
All right, bring this one. Kristen. Thank you. All right. Watch now, just watch it. This is the last one we'll do now. All right, the last person.
Baby boo.
All right, the last person. Mama. Is he the one? If he's the one, you say come forward. DJ, thank you. He said he should come forward, then he should come forward now. Right now, as you have come forward, you're going to take her forward. Alright? Yes, take her to your seat. Say what? Hey! Oh, get it. All right, good children. Say what? Are you ready now? He's killing it. DJ. Are you ready now? Spend your money. Say what? Ladies and gentlemen, and then I'll be able to tell you. Right now, I'm confused. Hey! Put tight. Ladies and gentlemen, please put your hands together for this wonderful couple. Wow. I'm not done, please start. Yeah, this is the time.
Steady.
Let's go. Are you ready now? Let's go one time to the same. Hey, here play the show. Yeah. This is my boss is here. The CEO of Ambassador Shoes. Hey, what just say? Are you ready now? Say, hey. Say. What you say? Hey, everybody now, let's go one time. You say, hey, come on, sing, come MPG. This is a serious video. What you say? What you say? 1, 2, jump. DJ, let's go. Are you singing all Ambassador Shoes? One time. Your body can never finish.